Hey guys, today is April the 16th of 2018. I want to go over the uranium URA ETF using Gann price and time. So please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. Alright guys, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been busy. You know me, I'm always busy. But I'm finding some time to do this early in the morning. Before the markets open, and I just want to show you what's going on with the uranium sector. We start out with our uranium futures, and you can see that we broke. This is the range we've been in since November of 2016, back and forth, and finally we broke this area right here. So we've been going back and forth here, and we cracked. So uranium futures are selling off. This is going to be the next support, which is 2047. There's a big divergence going on. My next video, I'll probably cover spot, uranium spot, but this is futures. So ETFs are going up. They kind of put a swing low, but the futures are selling off. So I got to look at spot and see what's going on there. But this is not looking good because this could drag everyone else down. But just wanted to show you what I'm seeing there. Looking at the URA, we put a swing low on the 28th and got a nice pop. Got back above this angle. Next resistance is at 13.6, 1360. What else I want to show you? I want to make this video really quick. Looking at our other charts that I use, using the squaring of the chart, we could see that we're finding resistance right here. So we need to get above that. So this is squaring. This is different from this. This is the Gann grid with the first impulse wave. So this is different. This one is just a squaring of the whichever swing pivot low you use. And we're finding resistance right now, right there. We take that off and we use the this squaring right here, which is more fractal, just this move right here. You can see that we found resistance up there, cracked these angles, found a double bottom actually, failed new low, which I like to see, and got a nice pop. And this line right here is your chopping around right here. So let's see. And lastly, there's machine learning model I'm using, and it's showing that there was a swing low coming up here. So like from here on, the model doesn't know what price action is doing. It's is using the past to forecast the future, and it forecasted that there was going to possibly be a swing low on the 27th, so it missed it by a day, and the 28th was the swing low. So it's forecasting that there could be a possible swing high on May the 14th. So that remains to be seen. So it says that it could probably be a little pullback now, which I could see maybe some profit taking, some weak bulls. It's like, let me lock in some money and get out. And then it's going to pivot low and then it's going to shoot higher according to this model. So we just got to see how this is going to pan out. I am, as a disclaimer, I am long UEC. I got in on the 30th. I'm sorry, March the 20th. So I endure a little pain here. I mean, it was minor. I didn't buy a lot. I'm just going to be scaling in here and there. And it came down and put a swing low here. So my forecast, so for you Gannists out there, when Gann did his forecast, he forecast and he was a 3-day window. And so let's say Gann will forecast it's going to do a swing low the 29th, 28th, 29th. You have a 3-day window. I need to tweak my forecasting because I thought the swing low was going to be on the 20th, and I was off by 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Yeah, counting the day I'm using the forecast, which is the 20th. So I bought some UEC share, and thing popped up, and then it started selling off and put a double bottom right here. So for you Gannists, your goal is to tweak your forecasting mechanism and your technique to get it where if you forecast it's going to be this day. You at least have 3-day window, and that's good. If you have a 3-day window within this range right here, I'm trying to see what day is that. That's the 28th. Sorry, the 28th. So the 28th, if you say it was the 27th, you got a 3-day window. That's good. That's good forecasting. That's tight. That's what Gann was doing, you know. If you did the, was it 29th? Do we have a 29th? Yeah, 29th. You could have done even if you would have picked up the April 2nd, 3-day window, still good. Still good in my book. Here, not so good. I thought this was the low, and this thing went 6 days down. I need to look at what I'm doing and tweak it a little bit where I could get better at my forecasting. So look, the machine model beat me. The machine model picked the low, and it was a day off. So the future of trading is trading using whatever technique or strategy you use alongside with machine learning, artificial intelligence. So the computer is looking back and analyzing things and helping you to make a better decision. And you use your technique, and in my case, I use Gann technique. So machine learning with Gann technique, you get close. I was off here, so I need to get better, and probably better like the computer did right here. So it looks like we're going to do a swing top, pull down, and it could be a possible swing high. I'm not going to say this is going to happen, but I'm just saying this is what the model is showing. Now I got to look at my Gann technique and see if maybe the machine is correct, because sometimes they're wrong. But so far, this is what he's coming up with. So I got to look at my models and my technique using Gann and see if this is legit. It's happened in the past where sometimes the model is wrong and I'm right, and sometimes the model is right and I'm wrong. In this case, I was off by 6 days. So just want to leave you with that. Hope you liked this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the uranium sector.